Now, I'm not a dog, but trust me when I say dogs are a hassle. Am I right, fellas? No. We're dogs. We obviously wouldn't agree with a cat. Yeah, we're like adorable. Okay, let me tell you some reasons all dog lovers should know. Number one, if you're getting a dog, make sure to bring out your wallet. That's not true. We are loving. Yeah, and we come in all shapes and sizes. Anyways, number two, if you're getting a puppy, make sure you have energy because puppies are full of energy. Am I right, Bella? Oh, you better believe it. I am full of energy. Want me to show you? Oh, no. Well, yes, puppies are full of energy. But if you're looking for getting a dog, maybe that's better for you if you're elderly. And I don't want to admit it because I'm a cat, but number three, dogs are loving. And all dog lovers should know that. Dogs are very loving. And trust me, they're very cuddly. Anyway, number four. If you're getting a puppy or even a dog, be ready to clean up after them. Am I right, Muddles? Hey, just because I roll in muddy puddles doesn't mean that you have to ask me. Well, I kind of do. Whatever. But yes, she is right, sort of. What did I say? But anyways, yeah, those are all the things that dog lovers should know about. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye. See you later. Bye, girls. Bye.